Okay, this video today is about how to verify Linux Mint 17.2. I will verify. I will show how to verify the Cinamon, KDE Plasma, Mate, and XFCE desktop environment. This guide is for works with any operating system that supports Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Vivaldi, and I haven't tested on the other browsers, but I believe it works on the other browsers too. So first I'm going to show how to verify using from Linux Mint. Then I will show how to verify from other Linux distribution. On Linux Mint is very easy to do it, but on other distributions there is you have to follow. You have to use the terminal to do that. So just gonna take one screenshot of this here. Okay, the first thing we have to do, we're gonna go to the Linux Mint website. We're gonna go to the Linux Mint website, and then I'm gonna verify all four, but you decide which one that you want to use. I'm gonna use as example on my guide the Cinamon Desktop, but I will do every desktop environment that they have, which is 4. So let's start with the Cinamon Desktop. So you go to Linux Mint here, you can click download here, or you can go to Cinamon Edition here. It doesn't matter how you're going to do it. So I'm going to click here. So here, first of all, I recommend to download let me see if I save it here. Okay, let's save. I recommend to use Qbittorrent or any other torrent client. I like to use Qbittorrent because it works 100% with all routers, and you don't have to open the ports on the router to have a good download speed and upload speed. And I have problems before with the transmission, and I had to I forgot the name. I forgot the name of the Windows system name. Okay, the app np here, it automatically works, so you don't have to mess around with the configuration on the router. So what you're gonna do, you download, and after the download, you leave it sitting the file. So anyway, Qbittorrent is one of the software that you can use to download big torrent files like the operating system. So anyway, I should suggest you to use the first option here. I'm gonna use this as an example. You save everything to the downloads folder. Save everything to the downloads folder. Is a Cinamon 18.2 is 1.5 gigabyte of size. What you're gonna do here, this is the fastest, the smartest, that's the easiest way to download operating system images on the internet. And I never had a image corrupted using the torrent client to download. But if you cannot use the torrent, you use the servers. There's servers everywhere in the world. So what you're gonna do after you download the image, you save everything to the downloads folder. You transfer everything to the downloads folder. So then we need to download. Okay, we need to download the SHA-256 sam.txt. Just have to do is click here. To save it, right click and click Save As. Then you save it to the downloads folder. I have a folder especially here for Linux Mint, which I'm gonna save it here. You can take a screenshot of this if you want to. After you do that, what you do here, I copy this here. Go back here. Now we're gonna download the SHA-256 sam.txt GPG. Click here. Take a screenshot of this if you want. Right click and save as. I just wanna take a screenshot here to show save as. I'm gonna do the same with this one here. So right click, save as. Okay, so I didn't save it. So save everything to the downloads folder. Okay, so we have three files there. I have each image. I have the. Let me just do one more thing here. Let's say you want to download the let me go to download here. Okay, let me take a screenshot of this here. Okay, I'm gonna use all the 64-bit image, but you just have to change. You're gonna figure out how to verify the 32-bit image. So anyway, let me click here. So let me see, made. Okay. Let me see something here. Okay. So the torrent right here. Like I said, you say to download folder. Go back here. Go to the XFCE. Save to download folder. Okay, as you can see here, I have all the 4 image, 64-bit only. So what I'm gonna do, I already downloaded this image. So what I'm gonna delete this. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quit here. So I'm gonna show how I verify with all the files that you must have on the downloads folder. You're gonna have the torrent link there, plus you're gonna have the whatever image I don't know if you want to download all the 4 images and try each one. I like to install my operating system direct to the USB flash drive. So I like to have each version on USB flash drive, not as a live DVD, but as I do the install direct to the USB flash drive. So what we're going to do here with Linux Mint on the folder, on the downloads folder, should have the two txt file here, and the image say .iso here on the folder. I'm just gonna take a screenshot here. So on Linux Mint, it's very easy to verify the image. Just have to do, I'm gonna do one by one with Linux Mint. Just right click here. Let me just take a screenshot so make it easier to understand how it has to be done. Just right click and select I'm using, I just upgraded to 17.2, and on 17.1 and 17 and 16.3 you had the option to verify the image direct from here, but they removed this option on the 17.2. Actually, I don't know if it's on. I'm using Mate, the Mate edition. On the Cinamon edition, I believe that has that option. I have to check. I have to upgrade to the Cinamon edition to 17.2 and see if this option was removed from the operating system, because before you just have to do is right click and select check SHA-256 and then automatically verify for you. But so let me show how you're gonna do that now. So you just have to do is right click here, select open in terminal, let me do it again, right click on an empty space, click open in terminal, So I'm going to open the terminal. So what I'm going to do now here is we're going to minimize this. I'm going to put this let me put this like this. So it's just gonna be a copy and paste. If you don't have the option to open the terminal like this, you just have to type cd space downloads. But if you have the option, just right click and open the terminal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna import the Linux Mint key, copy and paste, press enter. Now we're gonna verify the SHA-256.txt, .gpg, and the SHA-256.txt. So just right click and paste, press enter. So we say sign with the root linuxbing.com. Then to verify the image, I'm going to remove this here just for you to see. To verify the image here, the command is SHA-256 sign. Then you go to the folder here, but I will have everything so I can show you. So you go to the folder here, so I'm going to verify the Cinamon. I right click here, I go to rename, I copy everything, and paste. Then just have to do is copy, paste. So the result has to be for the Cinamon edition 64-bit. It has to be this one here. It starts with a D50E69. That's for the 32-bit. So as you can see, I just verified the. So you have this number here, this line here. It has to match. If you check in the 64-bit, it has to match this here. So D50 ends on BBA. So now we're going to verify, so everything is fine here. So I'm just going to take a screenshot here. Now I'm going to verify the KDE. So the KDE, go back here, select the KDE here, right click, go to rename, copy the name, paste, click on save here. Press enter. Okay, so I'm gonna take another screenshot. As you can see, KDE has to end with 631. Actually, E1. So that's good. So now the next one, we're gonna verify the mate or Mate edition. Rename, copy, space, paste, save. Just have to copy, paste, press enter. Okay, as you can see, it ends with a 35A. This is the mate. Now we want to verify the XFCE. We have to copy this. As you can see, this match. Okay, now I'm gonna show how you verify from Windows, FreeBSD, Mac OS X, Chrome OS. So now we're gonna use a website to verify the image. So the website we're gonna use here. This one, I'll take a screenshot of this here. Careful. Now I'm going to show how to verify the image. We're going to use a website. Actually, let me go back here. So this website here works with any HTML5 browser. I tested with Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, which is the browser that I'm using right now, and Vivaldi. In future videos I will test other browsers, but for now I test with those 4 browsers. When I start to make video tutorials with Windows, I will use the Internet Explorer and the Microsoft Edge browser. So, but this will take. When I will start to make some video with Windows, maybe it's gonna be a month or 2 from now. So I'm gonna make lots of how to do a boot with Windows, a custom dual boot, triple boot. Have multiple operating systems on the same hard drive. I have a plan to have a one hard drive with over 100 operating systems. But for now, I'm working with GNU/Linux distros, and I'm downloading, verifying, creating the image, and then the few months from now, I will have this guide on how to install multiple operating systems on the same hard drive. But for now, it's very easy to use this website. First is this is a SHA-256. If you look here, it says SHA-256. So we need to uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take a screenshot first. And I'm gonna drop all the images. What you have to do here, you click here, drop file. You just see here, drop file here, or click for select. So I'm just gonna drop. So I have the folder here. I'm gonna put it right on the side here. Take another screenshot. This is gonna take some time, so you can select all at the same time like this and move. Let me see if it's gonna work. Yeah, we got all 4. As you can see here, this line here has to go all the way down to the end here, and it has to match. It has to match these numbers here. So this is how you verify online. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna pause this video here until it's finished, almost finished, and then I will finish the video. Maybe I will create a DVD with the image, but I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. But I'm just gonna pause the video and I'm gonna wait until it's finished. Okay, so I verify all the image, everything went fine. So I will create a live USB and or live DVD. I might do a live DVD, rewritable DVD, and I will make a video with each version of Linux Mint, and that's how, if you want to install any operating system, you have to verify the image before you do that. If you don't verify the image, and then there's going to be 300,000 problem on the installation, you're not going to be able to do it. You're going to be wasting time looking around to find a problem that do not exist, and you're not going to be able to do the installation. So if you want to do it right, follow my guide and you're going to be able to do it. If you like the video, please subscribe. See you in the next video.